In this video, I'm going to show you Facebook featured photos settings. So basically what you want to do is open up Facebook, then you want to click on bottom right to open up your profile, and then click on top left to open up your profile. Then what you want to do is scroll down and click on edit public details, and then just scroll down until you see this feature. And if it's the first time using it, just click on try it and add photos to it. If it's not, you just want to click on, you will see like a little edit button like on the top left side. So if you see hobbies and the add button, just below that it will be edit for it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.